Hey there, my name is Dave Duford at buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, and chances are you're watching my video today because you're trying to learn more about what exactly is final expense insurance. And my job today in this video is to answer this as succinctly and as squarely as possible. So let's get started. Final expense insurance, simply put, is generally speaking, a whole life final expense plan designed to pay for anything of any kind of expense that would happen upon your death. So let's use our imagination. First thing that probably comes to mind most commonly is your funeral expenses. And that is the most common reason people purchase one of these plans. So if you die, you're going to have a burial or a cremation or some kind of final expenses. These plans come to life when you pass and cover those expenses. So anything related to the burial, the casket, the opening, the closing, the flowers, the transportation, or a cremation, the urn, the services, anything and everything in between, a final expense plan is designed to cover. Why do people buy these plans? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward logic. It's because they just don't have the money to pay for it otherwise. Imagine yourself, and this is really the best way to answer for yourself if this kind of product is right for you. What happens if you die and you want to be buried or you want to be cremated? Does your spouse have enough money set aside to pay for it? Would that dramatically alter her life in a negative way if she had to? Or if you're not married, if you're a widow or single, would your kids be able to afford it? Would you want them to afford it even if they could? If your answer to those questions is no, or I am concerned or disturbed by the potential for this, then this is probably something worth considering, these final expense type of plans. The best kind of final expense plans do the following. The rates never go up, so your premiums are locked in forever. Your coverage never cancels because of age or health, so you never have to worry about outliving them. And the very best ones, and it's only if you qualify, in many cases, at least for people with me, usually do, not always, but most of the time, you want to get a plan that covers you fully for accidental and natural death from the first date of the policy being effective. The best way to find that is to work with an independent agent, not with an agent that works for one company singularly, because the odds of them providing you not just the best value but the best price, slim to none. Whereas an independent agent shops the most highly competitive, highly rated companies that give you the best value and combination of price and coverage. If you're interested in something like this and you like the idea of getting peace of mind, knowing you've got coverage so your kids, your spouse doesn't have to go to do car washes or fish fries, or go to church and pass the collection plate around to help you pay for your funeral, then this kind of plan might be right up your alley. So here's what to do next. Give me a call at 888-626-0439. I work across the country and help all sorts of people out with these particular kind of needs. I've trained more than 400 agents nationally. I've helped more than 3,000 families since 2011, since I've been licensed, and I'm even a published author on final expense coverage and insurance. Number again is 888-626-0439. My name, after all, is Dave Duford. I'm the owner of buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, which you can check out as well if you prefer to send me a message instead. And I look forward to helping you out. Take care.